Here is everything I learned today about machine learning, day 5. If you haven't watched the previous episodes, I highly recommend doing so before watching this one. Sometimes a linear function won't fit our data well. In that case, we can use a polynomial function. We can change the behavior or curve of our hypothesis function by making it quadratic, cubic, or maybe use a square root function, or just any other form that matches our data. For example, if our data looks like this, a quadratic function that will match our data will be this one. And if our data looks like this, a square root function might match our data very well. One cool thing we can also do is combine features. Sometimes one feature is dependable on other feature. In this case, we can combine them into one. For instance, if we want our hypothesis function to ignore x2 when x1 is 0 and address x2 when x1 is equal to 1, we can introduce a new feature, x3, which is equal to x1 multiplied by x2, and end up with the following hypothesis. One thing to watch out for when using polynomial hypothesis is the range of our features. For instance, if our hypothesis is the following, and x1 has a range of 1 to 1000, then the range of x1 to the power of 2 becomes 1 to 1 million, and the range of x1 to the power of 3 becomes 1 to 1 billion, giving x1 to the power of 3 a great impact on our hypothesis output. This is it for day 5. I hope you liked it and make sure to subscribe to the channel to follow my journey.